Hey folks, let's take a look at our product details page. And if you've watched the video on working with the catalog, which is probably where you should start. As a matter of fact, if you haven't, go back and watch it. All we need to do in this particular page is modify the image, take the add to cart form and update that. And I suggested when you're working on the catalog page that when you update the PayPal button in that page, you come over to your product details page and update that as well. If not, just go back and watch the video on the catalog page. It'll show you how to create a new button and paste it into this page here. So this picture is a piece of cake. We just replace that as a regular picture in the page, and then we have the product reviews, which is actually just a little tab accordion. It's a bootstrap tab that we've modified with some cool colors and whatnot. And in one of the tabs we've included some comment containers and a form down below. The form I'm not going to get into. We have resource videos and the supersubmit.co website that deal with how to update your forms, but I'll show you just how to add more comments and then how to quickly modify the information in here. So let's just jump right into that page. Let's open up the product details page here. In this case, you know what I'm going to do is, I mentioned in the catalog video that you should create a unique product details page by copying the existing one for each product, and I've done that as an example with the product shoe one. So I'll open up this page and use this as the example instead. All right, so here's our image. We double click. The size of our image here, it doesn't actually tell us, so we need to figure out where it's coming from so we can create the same size image, or we can actually just use the same image we used in the catalog page. Totally up to you. But I'll double click, and the image is coming in from the site, themed images, pages, product details folder. And then it's the product-1 JPEG. So I'll go to my site, themed images, pages, product details, and there's the pic right there. It's product 1. It's 640 by 480. You can replace it with this one right here. Or you could go to your catalog page, and in the example in the catalog page, I used the 400 by 400 image. So you could actually use that as well, or you can create your own image. And I used a different size one here just to show that we can use different size images of 640 by 480. So not to confuse anybody, but there's more than one way to skin a cat, so to speak. So I'll go to my product details page right here. There's my 640 by 480. I'll drag and drop it into this folder right here. Then I'll just double click, do the browse, go to my site, themed images, pages, and product details. And there's the image right there, 640 by 480. I'll select that and OK. Now when it blows up like this, make sure you double click once again, hit the appearance, and then unselect the specify size and let the page size the image in this case. Okay, let it size down a little bit. Next, there's your button right there. Cool. So after that, we'll do a separate video on the details tabs.